I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Dodge Charger headlight bulb. Start by parking on level ground and setting the brake, then open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Locate the headlight housing and remove the cover or clips to access the bulb. Work with clean gloves to avoid contaminating the new bulb. Keep replacements and tools close so you can complete the swap smoothly and safely. Begin by turning the headlight switch on briefly to confirm which bulb is out, then turn everything off. Remove the housing cover or dust cap behind the headlamp to gain access. Unplug the wiring harness gently and release any retaining clips or twist the bulb counterclockwise depending on the socket. Handle the bulb by the base only and set the old bulb aside for proper disposal while preparing the new bulb for installation. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. After working in a car with oily hands, Little Tree's Black Ice is a small touch that keeps your cabin smelling great and makes cleanup feel less gritty. I link that and other deals in the description below, so check there for options. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. Remove the new bulb from its packaging and avoid touching the glass with your fingers to prevent hot spots. Align the bulb base with the socket and push in or twist clockwise until the clip engages securely. Reconnect the wiring harness and replace the dust cap or housing cover. Turn on the headlights to confirm correct function and aim, then adjust aim if necessary. Proper handling ensures long life and consistent beam pattern after installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.